In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use the PNG files to add a border to your image in Photoshop. The PNG files also work in pretty much any layer-based application. They are transparent files, so they'll work in nearly anything where you can add layers or add things like textures. There are two different folders you can choose from when using the PNG files. They come in a horizontal and a vertical format, and I basically have just rotated and set them up so it just makes it a lot easier for you to drag and drop them over your image depending on the aspect ratio. And if you are using a square photograph, then go ahead and pull from either of these and you should be just fine. So I'll go ahead and open up that horizontal folder, and I'm simply going to drag and drop one of those borders over my image. Then I just need to resize it. I can do that quickly by pressing and holding the Option or Alt key and then drag from the top, bottom, left, or right sides. And then I'll press Return or Enter, and now I have that border over my image, and that's all there is to it.